Okay, so let's look at some more phrasal or separable phrasal verbs. So look up. Yeah, look up. Like you've got a book. You need to look up the answer. It's in here somewhere. I'm going to look up the story. Look up the answer. Look up the question. Look for something. I'm going to look for the answer. I'm going to look it up. Look them up. Look them up. Look them up. Look them up. Their name's on the list somewhere. I'm not sure where. Make up. So you need to be happy again with someone. You know, you're maybe on bad terms, but make it up. Make it up to them and do something nice. Do a nice gesture. Make it up. You got into a disagreement with someone, but now you're going to make it up to them and do a nice gesture. Do something nice for them. Make it up. Or you could even say, make it up as you go along, like you writing a story and you're just making up the story as you go along. This happened and that happened and this. Make the story up. Make the story up as you go along. This happened and that happened and this happened and that happened, so on and so forth. I am making it up. Making it up. Makes sense. And pick up. There's something on the floor. You pick it up. Pick it up. Or there's something over there for delivery. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to go pick it up. I'm going to go pick it up. Pick it up. Pick the delivery up. Pick the delivery. The delivery up. Pick them up from school. The school finishes at 3:30. I'm going to go with the car to pick them up. Pick them up from school. Makes sense. And pull down. Pull down. There's a building or an object or a concept. You need to pull it down. Bring it down. Pull the building down. Pull the edifice down. Pull the statue down. Pull the thing down. Pull the clock down. Pull the wallpaper down. The wallpaper down. Pull the wallpaper. The wallpaper. Pull the wallpaper down. Makes sense. You've got this thing. It needs removing, tearing down, and put off, to delay something. I'm going to put it off, put it off for tomorrow, for next week, for next year. Put the papers off, put the questions off, put the instructions, put the writing off, that works, put the writing off. Put the writing off. I've got a novel to write, but I'll put it off for tomorrow. I've got videos to record, but I will put the recording off for tomorrow. The recording. Put the recording off for tomorrow, but it will be done. Put it off for tomorrow. No, do it now. Do it now. Now. Not tomorrow. Now. And set up. Set the TV up. Set the foundation up. Set the rules up. The rules. Like to start something. You've got, like, say, nothing. You need to set up the house. Set up the instructions. Set up base here. There's like a field. Setting up the base here. We've got a field. Want to build a house. want to set up the foundation here. Or I've got a lesson, I need to set up the words on the board. Set up the camera. Set up the camera. Yeah. Set up the tripod. Set up the cable. And everything else. Get everything ready. Get it ready. Set the camera up. Here's the tripod. Set the whiteboard up. Set the lesson up. The lesson. The lesson. Makes sense. And take up. Like you're going to take up a habit. Take the habit up. Take the habit up. You're going to start doing something every day. Take the habit up. Maybe at a standing desk or a treadmill. Take the habit up. Take the pen upstairs. Take the dog up there. Take the box up here. Bring something from one place to another. Take it upstairs. Makes sense. Throw away. Throw away. Don't need something. Rubbish, garbage, trash. This pen is useless. I'm going to throw the pen away. Throw the pen away. Don't need it. Throw the old pen away. Don't need it. And turn down. Maybe reject something. No thank you. Oh, no thank you. Or volume. No. Turn the music down. Turn it down. Turn the offer down. Would you like to go to the party? Turn it down. No thank you. Turn the offer down. No thank you. The offer. Would you like to? No thank you. Works just as well. Turn up. The opposite to that. Turn up. Turn down the volume. Turn up. Turn up the volume. Turn the music up. Turn the music up. Turn the music up. Will you turn up to the party? Will you turn up to the party? Turn in, up, turn the party up, turn the music up, turn the offer up. Yeah, it kind of works. Turn the music definitely. Turn the volume up. Turn the plane up. Turn the plane up. Turn the plane. Makes sense. But what do you say? Turn up to the party. Yeah, it still makes sense. Turn up to the party. Turn up to the meeting. Turn up to the party. Turn up to the appointment. Still makes sense. Make up. We had that. Oh, okay, very good. Make up. And write down. Write down. Write down. You hear something. You need to get a pen and write it down. Write the answer down. Write the notes down. What you hear, write it down. Write what you hear down. What you hear. Write what you hear down on paper. Very important. Write it down. Very nice. You hear something, get it on paper, get it on the computer, get it on the email. Write it down now before you forget. Before you forget. Very good. Yeah. So how cool is that? Separable phrasal verbs. Look up, make up, pick up, pull down, put off, set up, take up, throw away, turn down, turn up, turn down, and write down. Write down. Write down. Write the notes down. Write these new words down. Object. Write the new words down. How cool is that? Let's keep going.